it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Hannah, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out me and my YouTube channel for today's video. I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a candy corn inspired makeup look. So if you are watching this, it is currently Halloween, so happy Halloween to everyone out there. I am pre-filming this video, and if you are at home and you're just not doing anything but you kind of want to be festive, this is a cute look to do because it doesn't really require a costume or anything like that. So the eyeshadow is 100% inspired by candy corn. So let's go ahead and get right on into this video. Starting out, I'm going to be using my Vintage Dawn eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty. Now, this is a palette that I'm going to be using a lot of in the video. So the very first shade that I'm going to be going into is the shade Daybreak, which is just that yellow shade right there. Now I'm going into my Romantic Beauty Goddess of Eyes eyeshadow palette, and what I'm going to be doing is taking the main attraction, which is going to be the lid shade. I'm going to be taking the shade Pearl in this Alright, I forgot to mention this in this video that if I sound a little bit weird and if I'm talking a little bit loudly, my ears are really hurting me today. I actually have a head cold, and I always get a head cold / asthma flare-up during this time of the year, so I'm perfectly okay with my health. But a lot of times it does hurt my ears because your ears, your nose, and throat and all that is connected. So if I'm talking a little bit loudly in this video, that is why. But I'm going to be going into the shade Horizon next from the Ace of Beauty palette. This is the Vintage Dawn palette. I'm going to be taking that same brush that I used earlier just because I want to keep things very simple for this eyeshadow look. And I'm going to be packing this onto the outer half of my lid / crease area. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler, and then I'm going to be applying some mascara. The mascara that I'm using today is just the Maybeline, the Falsies mascara. But certainly not least, for the eyes, I'm going to be going in with these false lashes. These are from Kiss. These are their 5 Dink Mink lashes, and these are in the style Belle. They're just really pretty and really dramatic, so I wanted to use these today. And then to apply them, I'm going to be using my metal eyelash applicator, and I'm going to be using some Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I am back, and if you're very familiar with my channel, you know that I went off camera, did my foundation, my concealer, and my powders. Now I'm back, and we are going to be doing the lower lash line area. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is apply a little bit of white eyeliner to my waterline. Going into the shade Horizon, and I'm going to be taking that onto this e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm just going to be applying that to my lower lash line area. Now I'm going to be going into some Maybelline the Falsies mascara, and I'm just going to be applying them to my lower lashes. Alright, now I'm going to be warming up my complexion with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is just their original one, and this is just what it looks like. I'm going to be applying it with this big fluffy brush. Now I'm going into my Tarte blush. This is in the shade Quirky, and I like this blush because, one, I love Tarte's blushes, and then two, I'm a little bit quirky myself, so this is just a really pretty blush. And to apply it to the cheekbones, I'm going to be using this angled brush. Next up is highlighter, and for highlighter today, I'm going to be using my Mary Lou Luminizer. This is from the Balm Cosmetics. Mine had a little bit of an accident and the top of it kind of busted, and I didn't really want to like repress it or whatever, so it's fine. It's still usable, and it didn't really hurt it. So what I'm going to be doing is applying the highlight to the high points of my cheekbones with my cheek highlight brush, and then I'm going to be highlighting the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm going to be using this very tiny little lip brush to apply the highlight. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips today, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Crush, and this is just a really pretty cool toned and nude, and it's going to go perfect with this eye look today. Alrighty, so this is the completed makeup look right here. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're down there as well, because I would absolutely love it and appreciate it, because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursday, Saturdays, and Mondays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also give me a follow over on social media as well, so that way you can keep up with me, you can keep tabs on me, and you can keep a lookout when I post and upload new videos. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Monday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.